How to pay your insurance bill in BCBS mobile application. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how to do so in today's video, we'll be guiding you through the steps. So you can basically head over the website of BCBS, which is Blue Cross Blue Field, and log in into your account. Look out for the login option at the top and look out for members option and basically go ahead and log in into your account. After you're logged in order to pay your insurance bill, once you are logged in with the same username and password, you can head over and then make up a quick payment. So you can basically call the number on the back of your Blue Cross member ID card and follow the instructions on your bill to send the payment. You can pay over the phone, you can make a payment over the phone by calling the particular number available in the website. You can pay by mail by looking out for this email address right here available. You can pay over to the phone by calling this number, and when you call, say member or select two, then say make a payment to start the payment process. And in person, you can just pay through the MoneyGram application. You can find the nearby MoneyGram locations or do online as well. And that's it. And apart from that, if you have any queries, you can basically head over and look out for Get Payment within the customer service, and they should help you with the further solutions. And that's it. So if you'd like to pay your insurance bill in BCBS, you may follow up these methods as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.